Take a ride in the 2017 Regal. Buick Regal is based on the European Opel Insignia. The Regal is as much a sports sedan as it is a family sedan and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, Sirius satellite radio, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, overhead console, panic alarm. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.